You didn't wake up wanting to compete, but somewhere along the way, life quietly turned into a comparison. You sit with family, you meet friends, you listen, and without anyone saying a word, you feel it. You're behind. Not because you're failing, but because everyone else seems ahead. A car you don't have yet, a house you're supposed to own by now, a life that makes you wonder, am I falling behind or just late? You don't feel greedy, you feel pressured. And that pressure doesn't shout, it just sits there. No one tells you to spend more, but you don't want to look irresponsible. You don't want to look unstable. You don't want to be the one who didn't make it. So you start making choices, not reckless ones, reasonable ones. A car, because everyone else has one. A place, because renting forever feels wrong. A few upgrades, because this is what adulthood looks like. You're not chasing luxury, you're chasing reassurance. You sign the papers. Month 1 feels fine. Month 2, you adjust. By month 6, you're not adjusting anymore. Because what felt like one-time decisions became permanent obligations. Your income stayed the same, but your obligations didn't. Loan payments appear. Insurance follows. Maintenance becomes normal. Subscriptions stack quietly in the background. Each one felt small when you added it. Each one felt justified. But together, they lock the speed in place. It feels like running. Not towards something, just running to keep up. Imagine your life as a treadmill. At first, the pace fits you. You're walking. You're managing. You're okay. Then you press the button. Just once. The treadmill speeds up. You adjust. Nothing breaks. Nothing feels dramatic. So you press it again. Now the treadmill isn't just faster. It's committed. Here's the part no one explains. Debt doesn't just cost money. It decides your pace. Every payment demands consistency. Every obligation removes flexibility. Every month requires motion. Now slowing down feels dangerous, because the life you built needs you to keep running. From the outside, it looks like success. You have the things. You look stable. You look like everyone else. But inside, you're exhausted. Not because you failed, but because you're running at a speed you never chose. The treadmill wasn't speeding up on its own. It was responding to pressure. Pressure to keep up. Pressure to look successful. Pressure to prove you're okay. Somewhere along the way, looking rich replaced feeling okay. Here's the truth that changes everything. You don't fall behind by slowing down. You fall behind by running at a pace that isn't yours. Competing pushes you into debt. Debt forces speed. Speed steals peace. The way out isn't hustling harder. It's stepping off comparison, choosing a pace you can sustain, reducing obligations that only exist to impress, letting expenses grow slower than income, creating margin, letting saving and investing rebuild space instead of pressure. That's not quitting life, that's reclaiming it. You didn't wake up wanting to compete. You woke up wanting to be okay. And maybe that's enough.